If you want to change sound EQ on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, scroll down a little bit and then go to Sound and Vibration. Once you open Sound and Vibration, then we should be able to scroll down in here, and then we need to find Dolby Atmos. Now over here in the bottom left corner, we have Settings. You want to tap on it, and then we have, for example, the custom profile that we can customize, and we can change the sound EQ. In fact, if you use music, movie, game, or podcast, you can slightly change the EQ for them as well. Unfortunately, you cannot manually adjust it, but you can use one of these presets. For the custom profile over here, you can actually make some adjustments, and you can make some adjustments for the volume here and there. So as you can see, we can set up the volume for these sliders quite easily. You can also choose one of these presets as well, so if you want to, you can easily do that. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.